A circle is a set of points at the same distance from a fixed point. Fixed point is called the center. Fixed distance from center to circle is called the radius. OP, here you can see any distance from center to circle is the same and it is denoted by small r. All radii of circle are equal. If any part, here OP is equal to OR. A line passing through the center and touching 2 points on the circle is known as diameter. Important. If it is not passing through the center, it is not the diameter. A diameter is the 2r, 2 times of the radius. Diameter is always twice of radius and the largest chord of the circle. What is the chord? A line segment joining any 2 points on circle is called the chord. Here AB is the chord. Every diameter is a chord, but not every chord is the diameter. This is not the diameter. This is not the diameter. This is only chord. And this is the diameter because it passes through the center. If xy is equal to uv, then this distance from center OA will be equal to OB. If these two chords are equal, then distance from the centers OA equal to the OB. This is the first theorem. Did you know in circle equal chords are always equal distance from the center? And second theorem is equal distance if this two distance from center to A and center to B means if OA, this is the second theorem, this is the first theorem, if OA is equal to OB, equal distance, then chord will be the equal. Then UV is equal to XY. These are the two theorems. Now this theorem is perpendicular from center bisects the chord. If OB is perpendicular on chord PQ, then PQ will be bisected. Means PB and BQ will be equal. Okay, this is the first theorem, this is the second theorem. Radius will bisect and perpendicular to the chord. If radius bisects the chord, then it must be perpendicular to the chord. Two-way relationship. Bisects chord means perpendicular. Radius will be the perpendicular. If it is not perpendicular, it will not bisect. Angle subtended by at the center will be just double than angle subtended at circle. You see here, angle at center is twice of the angle of circle. This angle will be just half of this angle. Suppose this is the 40, then this angle will be 80 degree. The angle made by an arc at the center is double the angle made at any point on circle. Remember this rule. Angle at center will be is equal to 2 multiplied by angle at circle. If suppose this is arc xby and next theorem, and this arc xby and UAV. This is the blue color, this is the arc I show here, and this is the red color, this is another arc xby. If they are equal, then they will subtend equal angle at the center.